Hi, I'm Americana and I'm 33 years old, and I got into trading because I wanted to really manage my wealth and expand on my leadership qualities. I'm a lifestyle coach, also a wellness and fitness trainer, so I engage with a lot of women, and I see confidence comes from knowing who you are and being able to express that to people. And to do that, you need money and to be able to manage the money and to learn certain things with a mindset that has to do with growing wealth and keeping the wealth flowing is really why I've been drawn to Fortune Academy, because Hither Mann is a coach and iron sharpens iron. I've loved learning from her the past few months I've been in contact, and I see myself growing and developing to be more of Americana, to be more of a person that I want to be in the future. I freaked out, like oh, it has to be. I'm big on positive energy, and learning trading here with Hither, it's a one-to-one situation. She's not going to let you slack. She's going to make sure you're disciplined, and I'm big on that because I believe if you want to achieve anything in life, you got to be focused. So that's what is different with Fortune Academy compared to other people I've searched up before. With the energy that I get off, and seeing is believing. So seeing her lifestyle and seeing my lifestyle and where I want to go and who I want to impact, I feel I'll achieve it more with this guidance.
No, you don't have to journal down if you have places.
Seeing a bigger picture, like who the hell are we to try and pretend that the trade's going.
How are we doing, guys? My name's Dave. I'm an engineer. What got me into trading was basically I wanted to be able to create an asset for myself, a passive income stream to help me leverage into developing businesses such as property and pursuing a company to be able to doing no money down deals on all sort of property strategies, which really interests me for the future. The reason why I joined Fortune Academy is because it interested me in a way in regards to be able to learn how to trade Forex in a correct way by implementing a risk management strategy to trade safe. For the first, in March, going back this year, I learned the two strategies, snapback and double up, which enabled me to trade long-term trade strategies in a risk-free way. I'm here today, for the past 3 days, to learn a refresher on the Pinnacle, which has helped me refresh my mind and refresh my strategy and my portfolio analysis, which is really good, especially the assessors. You've got Lucien and Lee, big shout out to them. They've been really, really good and supportive.
The mindset thinking, we're going to convert that into a percentage. Take a screenshot.
Hello, my name is Lina, and I like trading because I see trading as a flexible, open option for me, and I don't rely on one source of income, and trading is my other source of income. And then sometimes I feel like I need to have my own space, so I can use that my own space to look at the markets, apply the trading strategies, and then at the same time make money. So that's how I see the benefits of getting into trading. I'm glad that I choose Fortune Academy because I like the strategy, I like the teaching, I like the support, and I like the energy, I like the environment, I like the motivations here. Yeah, great. So it's the right place to be. And then there are so many educational companies there, but you need to choose the right one, and then it does take me a while to choose the right one, and then I think I'm glad that I find Fortune Academy, and it doesn't take me too long way to find the right one, but I know that this is the right one for me.
Hi, my name is CJ. I'm a project manager and ICT consultant. I got into Forex trading because of my interest in financial markets, not just trading currency but trading stocks and generally learning how to be a professional investor. I wanted to do this professionally, and I thought, you know what, it's best to do it with the best out there, and Hither and Fortune Academy are the best organisation out there, and believe you me, I have researched a few. So the experience so far has been amazing. It's been excellent. They really teach you from the grassroots, and there's a lot of focus not just on the technical aspects of trading, but on your mindset as well and your relationship with money, which I believe is crucial. So far I've learned a ton, and I've only been here a few months. My goal for the future is to earn significant amount of income from Forex, almost equivalent to what I do on my day job, and then reinvest that into globally divested portfolio of stocks, property, etc. And yeah, look to help other people as well to come on this journey, which I believe is the way forward, and I highly recommend it. So yeah.